Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple but super useful feature on WhatsApp Web, how to disable the send message by enter button. If you've ever accidentally sent a half-written message or pressed enter too soon, this quick setting change is going to make your chatting experience so much smoother. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by going to your browser and signing in with your WhatsApp account using the QR code from your phone. Once your chats load, take a look at the panel on the left side of the screen. There you'll see a small gear icon, which stands for settings. Click on that gear icon. This will open a new window where you'll see several setting categories like notifications, themes, and chats. Next, click on the section labeled chats. Inside this menu, you'll find a few familiar options, including one called Enter is Send. This is a feature that makes the enter key automatically send your message instead of moving to a new line. If you want to disable that, simply turn off the toggle next to Enter is Send. Once it's disabled, pressing enter will no longer send your message. Instead, it will move your cursor to a new line, allowing you to format your text exactly how you want before sending. That's it. You've successfully changed the setting. From now on, you can write longer messages, add line breaks, or double check your text before hitting send. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference, especially if you use WhatsApp Web for work or long conversations where mistakes can be awkward. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might be dealing with the same issue. And if you like tips like this, make sure to stay tuned for more simple tech guides that make your digital life a little easier.